Bimba mutula moto nyepon maladi Budube baba jita Wasitembusa mimimu mitombi Diana bo.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be talking about one of the most popular ways of making money online, which is affiliate marketing. Now I've gotten a lot of questions about affiliate marketing. Questions like, is it a scam? Can you really make money doing affiliate marketing? And how do you even start doing affiliate marketing as a complete beginner? So that is why I'm making this video, to answer all of these questions. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm also going to be telling you my #1 recommended way for you to start affiliate marketing if you are in Cameroon or any part of Africa. So I'll highly recommend you watch this video till the end if you have any interest in doing affiliate marketing. Okay guys, so the first question is, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply when you promote other people's products or services, and when someone buys a product or services through you, you're going to get a percentage commission of the sale. So that is how affiliate marketing works. And again, affiliate marketing is not only when you get a sale. You can just promote a product or a service, and when someone comes and just signs in to that service by putting in their email address, you can make money out of it. Or when you promote the product and someone just clicks the product, you get paid for it. It's one of the best ways people make money online. Bloggers, YouTubers, that's how they monetize their content. So how do you start affiliate marketing? The first step is for you to choose a category. A category can be entertainment, sports, fashion. So that is the category. Choose exactly what you want to be associated with, what you like to do. Then the next step is for you to choose a niche. Now, a niche is simply, for example, if you are into fashion, right? Fashion is a broad category. There is makeup, there is hair accessories, there is clothing. So you need to niche down. Choose exactly what you like to promote. For example, if you're into makeup, that is your niche. You can then go to the next step, which is to find an affiliate program and apply for the program. You can go on Google, type in makeup affiliate programs, and they're going to list down companies that have affiliate programs that you can join. You can just go ahead, click there and apply for the programs. You don't need to pay anything to apply. It's totally free. When you apply for this program, they're going to give you a unique affiliate link. When you get the link, promote the link. How do you promote the link? Go on YouTube, go on Facebook, go on TikTok, go on the website, promote the link there, and when someone comes there, clicks that link and performs the action that you want. The action can be what? It can be to buy the product, it can be to sign in for the program or something like that, or just by clicking you get paid. But since it's a physical product like makeup, then you need to actually make a sale. Or they'll tell you on the program whenever you want to apply, they'll tell you the procedure of how you can go ahead to get paid with the program. Now, one of the questions I have gotten from people is, how do you get paid right here in Cameroon? There are two ways you can get paid. The first way is through a PayPal account or through a Payoneer account. If you are in Cameroon, I would highly recommend you create a Payoneer account. And the reason is because it's quite difficult for you to receive your money right here in Cameroon with a PayPal account. With a Payoneer account, it's easy. All you need to do is to create a bank account right here in Cameroon, and then you link your bank account with a Payoneer account. To create a Payoneer account is free. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Just click and then you apply and then link it to your bank account, and voila, you have your Payoneer account. And every time you make a sale, they are going to pay a commission in your Payoneer account, and you make your money. You can receive the money right here in Cameroon. So that is how. One important thing I want to let you know is, if you want to do affiliate marketing, you should be ready for work. Affiliate marketing is not as simple as it sounds. You need to put in work. If you're someone who is not willing to do research, to write articles, someone who doesn't want to produce content, then this is not for you. This model of making money is not for you. Don't even try it, because it is one thing to get a link. The next thing is to promote it and actually make sales. That is how it works. So if you have a link, that is not all. You can have a link. What do you do with a link? You need to actually promote the link. The best way of promoting your affiliate link is by producing content, and by content I mean videos. You can produce a video on YouTube about talking about the product. You can create articles on your blog, or that is how it works. You can go on Facebook and create a small article on it and post it there. So that is how you must be ready to produce content in order to promote your affiliate link. There are people who are making money out of affiliate marketing. All these YouTubers you see, all these bloggers that you see, one of the ways they promote or they monetize their content is with affiliate marketing. So you can go ask any one of them, they will tell you one of the ways they monetize their content is affiliate marketing, especially bloggers. So you can also try that and start making money out of it. So it is legit and you can really make money right here in Cameroon. So what is my number one recommended way of starting affiliate marketing? I recommend, if you are in Cameroon, you start with pay per lead or pay per click affiliate programs or networks. What is pay per lead? Pay per lead simply means a network is going to pay you when someone clicks your link and goes ahead and register by putting their email address. You get paid. So that is how pay per lead affiliate networks work. With pay per click, it means when someone comes and clicks your link, we make money. That is how it works, and that is the best way most people monetize a blog, with Google AdSense. I don't know if you've heard of it. Google AdSense is how people monetize their blogs, most bloggers. So what they do is they go to Google, apply for the AdSense program, and then Google is going to give them a code. They come and put the code in their website, and when they place this code in their website, Google now places ads on their website. When you're scrolling on, maybe you're going on Google and you're scrolling, you see, instead of reading article, you might be interrupted with an ad talking about maybe a chair. They're selling a chair or something like that, a couch. How do they call a couch? Maybe dresses, just anything. Those are ads. When you click mistakenly, when someone clicks the ad, the blogger gets paid. That is how it works. That is how they monetize their blogs. So I would highly recommend, as a Cameroonian or someone who wants to start affiliate marketing, the best way of doing it is with a blog. When you have your own website, to create a website is quite simple. You need to own a domain name, pay for domain name, and pay for hosting. One of the best hosting platforms or network is Bluehost. I would highly recommend Bluehost, because with Bluehost they give you free domain name. Domain name is simply the name of your website. For example, mine is techiefunds.com. So that is my own domain name. So that is a domain name. They'll give you a free, you don't need to pay for any domain name. All you need to pay with Bluehost is for hosting. That is all. And then they're also going to give you a free SSL certificate. An SSL certificate is basically a protection for your website. They help you protect your website. The little lock you see by the domain name, that is an SSL certificate. So it helps you protect it. If you don't have money to pay for hosting and to build your own blog, then you can go on sites like Medium. It's a free site where you can start writing articles and promoting your product. It's totally free. You just go and create your own blog and start writing your articles there and putting your product there. Then you can now start promoting. You can also use Blogger to create a blog for yourself. If you want to take this thing seriously, I would highly recommend in the long run you create a blog on your own. Create your own website. The reason is because with your own website or with your own blog, you can work with so many affiliate networks. There are affiliate networks that you won't be able to work with just because you don't have a blog on your website on your own. They won't accept you on their platform. So when you own a blog, you are exposed to so many different networks that you can join. And again, you can easily make money with pay per click, which is the best method, with pay per click affiliate networks. So you can monetize your blog with that. And again, you can also use your blog as a store. Create a store on your blog to sell merch, to sell your t-shirts, to sell your ebook, whatever product you want to sell, you can sell it on your website. So there are so many advantages of owning a blog for yourself. You can create a portfolio on your blog where you can, when you go on sites like Upwork, on Fiverr to apply for a job, maybe you're applying for a job as a copywriter, you can show the articles that you have written on your blog as a sample work. It will make you look professional when you apply for a job. As you know, freelancing is there's a lot of competition when it comes to freelancing online. So having your own personal blog will help you stand out, so you can make money with it. So that is it. Again, with affiliate marketing, you need to choose a category, then you need to niche down, choose a niche, and then you need to apply for the affiliate program, and then you need to get your link, and then you need to start promoting. And that is how it works. The best, as I would highly recommend, again, as a Cameroonian, start with pay per click and pay per lead. Apply for the program, get the link, and you promote it on TikTok, on YouTube. So that is how affiliate marketing works. So I hope this video gave you a little bit of an insight when it comes to doing affiliate marketing. So I hope the video was helpful. Please, if it was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post any of such educational contents. And again, if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will try and as much as possible to reply you. So thank you once more for watching, and see you next time.